Have any of you guys ever wondered how to use the contact log feature in Skyward to document your parent conversations? Well, this is what we're going to learn on this week's Tech Tip Tuesday.
All right, so what we're going to do is we are going to get logged into Skyward. So if you log into your ClassLink account, you can access Skyward that way. Once you get logged in, I have my main homepage where I have saved the contact log right here. But for those of you who haven't saved it, if you click on the magnifying glass at the top, you can type in contact log and the student contact log will pop up, allowing you to click on it. If you do want to save it, I suggest clicking that star at the top. That way you have easy access to it when you need it. I love this because it gives me a quick and easy reference for myself and for admin to come and look at any contact that I've had with parents. I also like that you can see who's entered that contact in. You can see who was contacted and the reason for that contact. Now, to actually use the log, you have to click this Add Contact Log, and that will pop up an Add Contact Log screen where you can enter in the student's name, date, and time. Those are very important. Those are must-have. You can see the stars on the side. The contact type, contact category. I typically don't put those in besides like cell phone. The category type, though, I don't typically put anything for that. Contact name. I do click if it's the guardian because it'll automatically populate the guardian's names, so you don't have to go look those up. On the reason for contact, I always do like a quick description of why I'm calling home. For example, it's a behavior call or just a parent conference, a positive phone call, recess incident, things like that. Something that's quick for admin to see from the main screen. And then I save the detailed parts for the notes section here where you can go in and get really detailed with that. And if you have this open while you're talking to parents, you could note those in there while you're on the phone or copying emails and just copy and paste that email into here. As the result of the conversation, what happened, and then if for any reason there is any contact follow-up. You can add attachments if you want. So if I have emails that get sent to me, I might add the attachment from parents there. Save it. That way it is saved. I'm going to click cancel since we didn't enter one in. And then that's it, guys. And then you have a one-stop shop for contact log. That way you're not having to go back and forth between separate logs and making sure that you're entering in stuff that admin has access to see.
I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I hope you're able to make use of it as I have. And don't forget to join us back here next week for Tech Tip Tuesday.